In order to turn on or off saving locations for photos and videos on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to the camera. Then here we need to scroll down and then we want to go to settings. In the camera settings, we can go to general, and then if you scroll down, you will find save location info. So if you tap on this option, you can provide access to the location for the camera so that we can check the details of the photo when we take the photo or when we record a video in order to check where this photo or video was made. So we can switch between precise and approximate location as well, and then we can choose while using this app. When you take the photo with the location being saved, then you can, for example, open the photo through the gallery. You can tap on these three dots and go to details, and then over here below the local path you will see the location. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!